Hey DIYers, I'm Mark, and today on Make Your Mark, we are upcycling old plastic containers and turning them into beautiful, colorful, glass-like flowers using Marabou alcohol inks. This is a great way to save all of that plastic you throw away and turn it into something really beautiful, like pieces of jewelry, or a crown, or just a gift for someone. Now before I forget, thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hello. You know how much I love it when you stop by and say hello. Are you ready? Let's make some plastic flowers. In 1907, Leo Baekeland invented Bakelite, the first fully synthetic plastic, meaning it contained no molecules found in nature. Today we produce about 380 million tons of plastic every year, and only 9% of that plastic has been recycled. Now I know my flowers aren't the answer, but I do try to use as many upcycled and recycled materials as I can, and I hope you will too. Celluloid plastic was developed in the 1840s but didn't take off until the latter half of the century when John Wesley Hyatt patented the name celluloid. It was originally intended as a replacement for ivory in billiard balls, but quickly found many uses thanks to its ability to be colored, etched, and made opaque. I'm going to leave a link to Marabou and everything I used for this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and press that notification bell so that you know I have a new video. Grab any one of my craft books for inspiration. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Bling, and I will see you next week. Bye.